tasting going on here. Yummy. Welcome to Gino's Creative Cooking. If you are new here, welcome. Here I'm making a vegetarian dish, lentils with sorghum grains. So those sorghum grains, boy, together the combination is just too delicious. As you can see, and here are our ingredients. So let's keep watching. Sorghum grains, and then we got the zucchini there, garlic, onion, cilantro, thyme, and you will see the rest as I'll be adding also tomatoes. I start by boiling some water where I'm going to put the sorghum grains and the lentils, and I'll be cooking them for 20 minutes. I started with 3 cups of water, and after it softens a bit, I'm going to be adding some lentils where I'm going to boil them for another 20 minutes, and it should be fine, it should be good. And let's get going. All right, you got tired of hearing my voice, so let me shut up and let's watch the cooking. Don't forget to subscribe after watching this video. It helps me a lot. It helps the video a lot. It helps Gino's Creative Cooking. Press thumbs up, press like, and share. I'm going to be baking the chickpeas. Here I'm using my air fryer.